Nagpur style pumpkin vegetable is our today's yummy recipe in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. Let's learn how to make Nagpur style pumpkin vegetable. Let's begin. For that, in a pan I am going to take oil, 1 tablespoon, and then add mustard seeds to it, 1.5 teaspoon, and let them splatter. We'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them splatter on low flame. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi. And mix it well. To this I am going to add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Mix it well and let them become translucent on high flame. So cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I am going to add 1 medium-sized finely chopped tomato to this and cook well on high flame. Let the tomatoes become mushy and then add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Cook well on medium to high flame and then add dried grated coconut to this, 1 tablespoon, and mix it well. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now here I have taken split chickpea. I have soaked it in hot water for about half hour and then drained the water. Now we are going to add our split chickpea or harbara, 1 to 1.5 tablespoon, and mix it well. Then add asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and cook this on high flame. And then add 1 cup of water to this. Mix it well. Let it combine nicely. Cover it with the lid and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. We'll open the lid. Mix it well, and now the split chickpea is half cooked. At this stage I am going to add peeled and chopped pumpkin. Now you may leave the skin on and then chop it, but I prefer peeling the pumpkin and then combine everything well on high flame. Again we are going to cover it with the lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes I'll open the lid. Give it a quick stir and then add red chili powder to this, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of kara masala, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped green chili, ground cumin and coriander, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, and mix everything well on low flame. And then add Kitchen King masala to this. 1 teaspoon. Add roasted crushed peanuts, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of jaggery or as required. And then add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves and mix everything well on high flame. Add salt as per taste. And mix everything well and let the spices cook on medium flame. Then we'll add water to this, 1 to 1.5 cup of water, and mix everything well. We're going to cover it with the lid and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and give it a quick stir. Cover it and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Or until the pumpkin is cooked perfectly. And this is how our Nagpur style pumpkin vegetable is ready, garnished with coriander leaves. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.